Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video I will show you how to crop an image into a circle in Canva step by step using frames and simple adjustments. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let's start with the video. So first come to the create. Okay, and here you can see the lots of template like presentation, social media, and whatever you want. Okay, you can also take customization size. Okay, if you have if you want any profile photo like crop profile photo, then you can search for here like crop. You can see there is a lots of options like card, or you can search for profile. Here you can see there is a profile photo options, picture option for every social media. Okay, or you can take simply presentation options. Okay, so I just take this presentation canvas. Okay, now I will show you how you can make how you can crop the image into circle. So first we need to go in elements and search for frames. Okay, here you can see that frames. Go to the C all and take the round one. So this is, we have frame. Now you can take an image from here from Canva, or you can upload your own image. You need to just upload from here, and the uploaded image you can see here. Okay, so let's okay, I just take this one. Now you can simply take the image and drag over that frame. Okay, so now this has been cropped. Okay, I have white border on this image, so that is look like this. You can simply double click on it and make it editable, and you can increase the size like this, and you can select your area, which area you want, and you can also rotate if you want something rotation. You can also make smart crop. There is a expand if you using the pro. Okay, and now just click on done. Now this crop image has been done. Now you can increase decrease the size from here. While you increase decrease the size, hit the alt button on your keyboard and hold it, and now you can increase and decrease the size like this. It won't change your image ratio. Okay, it will be see very clear. Okay, see. Okay, done. So that is how we can crop any image into circle. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.